Hello friends, I see many my friends send me message about how to withdraw money if winning a prize online 4D and Toto. So today I show you how to withdraw money if you win Toto or 4D online. Okay friends, so first log in my Singapore Pool account. Then you see I already have login, so just click here. Then you see here option withdraw. So click withdraw friends. So this interface open ready. So here you can see if below 5,000, so you can take money any 4D shop, and if have above 5,000, so you can take my Singapore Pool main branch. So friends, when you take money, then just you simply writing here how much money you want to withdraw. So first I show you how many type you take top up. Click here deposit. Okay friends, see here you can top up nets by nets, and you can top up by card, and you can join also your bank account. But this two thing, nets and by card top up, this money you cannot transfer directly your bank. But if you select bank, then your bank account joint ready, this same Singapore Pool account. So when you winning, you just need to submit and directly transfer this money your account inside. But if you know joint your account, you follow this two-way nets and top up card. So simply friend, here you writing amount. After you fill up your password, so amount writing and password writing, just simply submit. So friends, when you submit ready your request, within 24 hours you can take this amount any 4D shop. You need just only your IC or this your submit detail. You fill up just one form, so you can take cash. So very simple or easy. But if you join your bank account, so no need to anything, just you submit here, then automatically your money transfer ready your bank account inside. So very simple friends, when you submit ready, then you can very easily can take your money. Now I know submit request because I know have enough balance my pool account, but I show you ready just this simple way follow, submit and take your money. Like and subscribe this video. Thanks for watching.